Thanks to JCPenney for sponsoring this video.
Hey guys, so today is prom shopping day. Basically I'll be looking for my prom dress from head to toe. I'm getting ready from head to toe. I will be doing my face. That's why I don't barely have any eye makeup on right now. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun process. I'm working with JCPenney to bring this video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy and find it helpful. So yeah, stay tuned and let's see how I get ready.
So I already know what I'm going for. I'm going for a black simple dress, not simple but still glam at the same time. And I already think I might have found my dress right here. I'm gonna try on for you guys to see and we'll see how it goes. This one also looked really nice. JCPenney have like a lot of prom dress selection. I'm gonna show you guys some, but I think I already got the one I want. But I really like how they set up, how nicely it is. It's like a bunch of prom dress in all different size. Oh, look at the secret one. I might want to try this one too. This is actually nice. I'm trying to find my size. This one over here looks nice. It's a satin green one. It's too bold for me, so I'm not gonna go for that color. But yeah, they have so many prom dresses. These are so nice. I might try some for you guys to see. This white one, it's really elegant. I hope they have my size. Oops, wrong one. So I'm gonna try this one on also. And I really want to go for a royal blue, but I feel like this is too bold for me. But this is definitely really nice. Okay, so my sister's filming me, but we're in the fitting room right now, and I'm gonna try on the dress I picked out. So let's see how that goes. So this is the first dress I try on. It's really elegant. I really like the embellishment they have going on here. All these beads look really nice. But I'm not going for white because I already look at this. I'm not going for white because I already worn a white prom dress last year, but I definitely love this. It's so flowy. So this is the second dress. It's kind of backless. So I might go for this dress because I really want a black one. I really want to go classic this year, and I really like how they have like that slit by your leg, and it's like a halter knot. Sorry, I don't have on my sticky bra. I'm debating between this dress and this one. I know for sure I'm going for a black dress, so yeah. But I'm just gonna change up the size of it because they're kind of a little bit big on me, so I'm gonna go through that right now. So right now, I'm running out of time, so I have to go do my hair first because my hair appointment is at 1. For now, we're gonna head upstairs and do the hair. Right now, I'm getting my hair done by Pinocchio. Yes, and she'll be doing a updo for me. So I'm really excited for the result, and we'll see. So my dress kind of have like a halter top looking. So basically I asked my stylist, Pinocchio, what hairstyle should I do? And basically I told her I wanted an updo. I didn't have any picture to show her, but I just let her do her thing. So when I was recording this, the audio was really loud and you guys can barely hear me, but I just want to let you guys know that you guys can get a prom hairstyle for only $30 at JCPenney Salon of your choice. As for me, I decided to go for a updo and I really like my hairstylist. She did an amazing job. Also, you can go for any hairstyle you want. You can call your local JCPenney Salon and book your appointment today, or you can do it online. I think this is a great way to, you know, get ready for prom if you're worried about your hair or don't know how to do your hair. You know, JCPenney got you covered. Doing my hair for me. Once again, you guys can check more information down in the description box. And yeah, that is the updo. Now let's go on to my right now. I'm at Sephora and we're gonna pick out some makeup and we're gonna get my prom makeup ready. So right now I'm just walking around and looking at some makeup because my makeup artist Dorina is busy with her client and I'm just gonna pick out some products. As you can see, once I got my hair done, now I'm in Sephora inside JCPenney and I'll be getting a free mini makeover for prom. Also, if you're interested, the products used on my face will be listed down below in the description box. So basically, I asked my makeup artist Dorina to do a must-have makeup for prom, and she was so kind to me. Once again, list all the products on my face down below. She basically told me what she was going to use on my face and where she's going to put it. It was really fast and quick. I was really surprised as how quick it was done. So yeah, once you finish your prom hair from JCPenney Salon, make sure you stop by Sephora inside JCPenney to get a free mini makeover for prom. Also, I want to mention that falsies are not included in the free mini makeover. So this is the completed makeup look. I absolutely love it and I'm going to put on my dress, but before that I want to give a special thank you to Dorina for doing my makeup. She did such an amazing job, so make sure you guys check her out.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're very welcome.
Alright, now I'm just going to pick out my shoes and I'm running really late, so I'm not going to be filming this, but I'll show you guys later. So I'm saying goodbye for now, but I'll get back with you guys later.
So I just got changed into my dress and I absolutely love it. Also, all the accessory I'm wearing, my earring, my bracelet, my shoes, they're also from JCPenney, so make sure you guys check that out. And I absolutely love my makeup. I actually clip up my bangs because I don't like my hair being in my face. It kind of aggravates me.
So this is the completed prom look from head to toe done at JCPenney. JCPenney has a variety of stylish and affordable fashion for prom, such as jewelry, shoes, handbag, dress, you name it all, hair, makeup. I honestly love my look, and once again, all the products on my body, on me, will be listed down below in the description box. Once again, I want to say a huge thank you to JCPenney for partnering with me so I can bring you guys this video, and I hope you guys enjoy your prom with JCPenney.